This video is to help out college students or high school students pass the Florida Civic Literacy exam required by the state of Florida. All right, so I just left Melbourne campus, Eastern Florida College, and I just passed the Florida Civil Literacy test. This book helped a lot. Very cheap on Amazon. Okay, this is it right here. That's the number on the back. And the video on Raymond's review for Florida Literacy, that helped a lot. So there's 3 or 4 videos on YouTube with Raymond. I think he's in South Florida. Those videos helped a lot. He was on point with everything that he said. And you have to know those Supreme Court cases. Have to know the Supreme Court cases. They ask those questions all the time. You have to know the dates on the Supreme Court questions. You should know the Declaration of Independence. They ask for a lot of inserts with the Declaration of Independence. You have to know the Federalist Papers in comparison to common sense. Thomas Paine, common sense. They're going to try and trick you on that. They ask you, is Thomas Paine the historical documents or is it the Federalist Papers? So you have to know which one is it, which was the historic document to the preamble of the U.S. Constitution. So they asked, you have to know all your amendments. You should know all the Bill of Rights. So you don't have to know 100% of them. You should know at least 80% or 75% so you can rule out other possibilities. And those are the tough questions. So the easier questions are, about how to elect a president, U.S. citizen, can you join the military, can you run for office? So those are the easier questions that are not too difficult, but they really try and trick you. They give you inserts. They give you a sentence, a broken sentence. Is it for this amendment? Is it for that amendment? Is it on the Independence, the Declaration of Independence? Is it the U.S. Constitution? So, and then they ask, join or die. You have to know what join or die was for. That was for the formation of the government with the 13 colonies. So know all of the Supreme Court cases, because they're going to ask you every single Supreme Court case. I'd say 80% of them you had to know. Because if not, it's so much harder to rule out the possible answers versus the right answers. And if you just can know the dates, like things that happen on the civil rights era, things that happened during the whole, before the government was founded, then you'll be able to decipher, okay, this happened at this time, this happened at that time, this is not the right answer, this is the right answer, because the wrong answers are easy to rule out because they're really off. So you get 80 questions. It's in room 218 at Melbourne if you go to Eastern. And you put everything in the locker and you can take as long as you want. So it wasn't that bad. I passed. They tell you right there if you passed or if you didn't pass. So study as much as you can and watch those Raymond videos on YouTube because they help me a lot. And, just study as much as you can before, because it's better to know more than know less. So you don't have to do this all over again. All right, so that's it. And good luck and have fun.